Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, October the 6th, 2023, almost weekend. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. And this one, the last one, is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, the first one, the 3 star Sudoku, number 7223, I believe. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This is insane. This one has 32 printed digits. 32. Usually the 3 star Sudoku has 25. This one has 7 digits more. Is this really a 3 stars? We don't know. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you have 32, then should be easier than the 0 stars. And for 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14 minutes. 14 or 50 minutes. 0. Okay. So let's get started. Let me see which number I'm gonna pick. 2, 3, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have 7 in this column. No 7 here. We have 3 in this row. No 3 there. So 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have 3 in this middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. One number 2. Alright. And now, let me see which number can I pick? Let me see. 3. Okay. Yeah, 2 numbers left, also 2 and 9. I cannot feel this yet. 6. How about the 6 here? 6. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in that row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 7. Then. Let me see. How about the 5 here? The 5 here. Well, need an 8 here. Need a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see a 7 in the last column. No 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. We see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. 2, 3, 2, 3. Need a 9 here. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need 8 here. 5 here. I'm scanning. 4 here. 4 here. 4 there. And 4 here. Well. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Come on. This is taking too long. 9, 9. 9 and a 2, 9 and a 2. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Okay, got you, the 2. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 here, 2, 2. Need a 4 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row. Middle row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Then 6. Need a 6 here. And I need a 6 there. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers? 3 and 8, I believe. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here. Oh, there we see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for was 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2, 3, and then need a 9 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row, third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. And look, we have 2 and a 9 in this column. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row, third row for number 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. Look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this column. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. We have a pair, I believe. 1 and a 4 in this row, first row. 1 and a 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 1 and the 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. And look, we have a 1 and a 4 in the first column. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So 1 digit left in the second row for the 2 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only place level 2 should be there. Then with 2 here, need a 2 there. 2 missing numbers in the in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. A lot of pairs. This one, a lot of pairs. Here also 2 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Here 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. No 1 goes there. So 3 and the 5 are missing here. 1 box left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. Yeah, the 9 is missing. Yeah, 2 numbers left. In the middle column, the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. So we have a 2 in the last row. 2 in a row above. So that row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes in there. 5 and a 6, we have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. No 1 goes there. 1 in this row. 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 9 goes. And there, finish in 12 minutes. Wow. Faster than 14-15 minutes. 0 stars. Not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars, not the 1 star. Should be a 0 stars. Well, of course, 32 printed digits. Publisher. Anyway, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.